Okay, listen everyone. Color coding of carbon resistor. Actually, color coding of resistor, that's all. But why I have mentioned the color coding of carbon resistor? Let's see. See once commercially in experiments when they are using the resistors, s- there are two types of experiments, smaller experiments and very big experiments will be there. So generally, like commercially, resistors will make by using alloys, by using alloys. That alloys maybe nichrome, manganine, manganine, constantine, constantine. So by using these materials, they will prepare the, they will make resistors. So whatever they are preparing by using these alloys, that resistors generally very near to the, like, we can say that this resistors does not depending on temperature. So independent on temperature, we can say that resistivity and resistance both, resistivity and resistor near, independent, independent on temperature, nearly, not exactly, independent on temperature. So when they are preparing resistors by using this type of materials, that resistors limitation will be there. Limitation. That limitation, high resistance is not possible. So when you are preparing with these materials, you can't get the high resistance. High resistance cannot possible. So it provides very low resistance. That's all. High resistance, it is not possible. Cannot possible high resistance practically. Okay. So these resistors they will use for small experiments purpose. Small experiments purpose we will use these resistors. I hope you understood. Is the first resistors. Suppose commercially how they have, they will prepare the resistors first by using alloys. Which alloys? Nichrome, manganine, constantine. By using these alloys when they are preparing the resistors, that resistors resistivity or resistance independent of temperature. And by using these alloys when they have prepared that resistors, high resistance cannot produce, cannot obtain practically. So these resistors they will use for smaller experiments. But when they are constructing the very big experiments, so that time they will use carbon resistor, carbon resistors, carbon resistors. It provides very high resistance, very high resistance is possible. And size of the carbon resistors are very small, very small size. Likita,
So,
did you understand?
yes, sir.
See why I have mentioned the color coding of carbon resistor. So what, which type of resistors are there? there are two resistors. One resistor we can use for smaller experiments, one more resistor that we can use for big, very big experiments. Big experiments purpose. So when they are preparing resistors by using this type of materials, alloys, then what will happen means that resistors having resistivity is independent on the temperature, and the high resistance cannot possible. But if you want to conduct the big experiments, then you require the high resistance. That time they will make resistors by using the, they will by using carbon resistors. So very high resistance will be there and very small in size. So when it is very small in size, you know what will happen? When it is very small in size, if you write any value on that resistor, you can't see properly, even you can't write properly. So that time they will use color coding. So that is the reason they will use color coding. These resistors are very, very small. So when if you want to write any value on the resistor, you can't write first, and if you write, even though you can't see properly. So that is the reason they will use color coding to know the resistance. Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
did you understand, Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. Kaushalya,
Sir?
do you have any doubt, ma?
No, sir.
So smaller experiments purpose, which type of resistors we will use? Hello, Rachna.
So,
For big experiment purpose, we will use carbon resistors, right?
yes,
So carbon resistors provides.
very high resistance and they're very small in size.
So when it is very small in size, can you see any, if you write on the resistor anything, can you see properly?
No, sir, that's why
No,
they are color
that's why we will
coded.
use the color coding. Yes, okay, now we will see what is the color coding. Write this.
So carbon resistors are only for the big experiments, sir.
Yeah, big experiment purpose, we will use carbon resistors. For small experiments, we can prepare resistors by using, like they will make by using nichrome, manganine, constantine. Let's see now. Color coding. So what is the meaning of color? Suppose it is the resistor. Resistors will be like this. There are 4 bands for the resistor. First band, second band, third band, fourth band. There are 4 bands. Each and every resistor having 4 bands. Keep like. So 4 coaxial color bands, nothing but rings. We can call these things are rings also. Coaxial. On the same axis, there are 4 rings. So these rings are also called bands. First band, second band, third band, and fourth band. There are 4 bands. Here, first and second band. What is the use of the first and second band? It tells about the magnitude of the, it is the number. First and second band is the number. It tells about the number. Number means it's nothing but a magnitude. Magnitude or significant figure, we can say. Third band. This third band will tell us about the third band. It is a multiplier. Multiplier. That means order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. Fourth band. It tells about tolerance. Tolerance means variation in percentage. Variation in percentage from the given value. See once, every resistor having 4 bands. These are the 4 color bands. So for every resistance, first and second band tells about the number. Just remember. Now I will give you one tabular form. Based on the tabular form, then you can find out. So first and second band always tells about the number. That is nothing but magnitude or significant figure also we can say. Third band is nothing but a multiplier. Multiplier we know 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, like that. So order of magnitude. Fourth band, it is nothing but a tolerance, like variation in percent from the given value. Did you write that?
So 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Write neatly. Now I will write on tabular form. There we will use these things.
Sir, variation in what, sir?
So
What's that?
see, it's nothing but some of the error will be there, right? Tolerance.
Yes, sir. What's that you have written in the bracket for the fourth one?
From
Variation
the
in?
given value. If they have given some value 20 ohms, when they have given, there will be some error, right? So if it is the given value, some of the resistance we have to remove, like tolerance will be there. So for that, for the given value.
So can you read what you've written in that bracket? Variation in?
Percentage
Okay.
from the
Thank you,
given
sir.
value. Okay. Did you write?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Remember the 4 points now on tabular form. Color 1, 2 number, three multiplier, fourth tolerance. Tolerance. So here write the colors. First one black, second brown, third red, Fourth, orange. Fifth, Arvo, yellow. Sixth, BB Roy, great, violet, green and blue, yellow, green. 7, blue, blue, violet. Eighth one, violet. Can you see that? Violet. 9, BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Violet, gray. And one more thing will be there, white. You can see, I think, white.
So we can't see white, so
Yeah. One second. Black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors. I will tell you how to remember. Just keep in mind. Give the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. It is the multiplier. Multiplier, that means ten to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 7, 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 9. Fourth one is tolerance. Here, just gold plus or minus 5%, silver plus or minus 10%, no color, that means plus or minus 20% tolerance, that is. Just write this. So how to remember this? Like BB Roy, BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. You can say more than wearing gold, silver necklace. Also we can say. If you want, write the sentence. BB Roy, ROY, BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold silver necklace. Also we can say. Everybody, did you write that?
Sir,
Did
can
you
you
write,
repeat,
ma?
can you repeat it once again?
Okay. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. You can write wearing gold silver necklace also. These are main things. That three things you can remember: gold, silver, and no color. Blue, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, black, brown, red, orange, yellow. Nothing is there. No need to write this. Green, Britain, blue. Nothing is there. No need to write. Violet, gray, good. So gray, white. Actually, very good wife. It's not possible, but okay, right. So you can remember. Did you write that? Nikita,
Yes, sir.
how can you remember the colors?
So that because of that sentence,
Tell me the sentence.
B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife.
Okay, wearing silver gold necklace.
Yeah.
You can remember that. Huh?
Yes,
First
sir.
color black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. And first and second band tells about the number. Just number. That number is nothing but magnitude. Third one is multiplier. We know multiplication, like multiples. 0, 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2. Multiples and submultiples we learned in the first year. And fourth one is tolerance. Let's see. Now they have given one resistor. On that resistor, they have given some colors. We don't know what is the value of that. Now we are going to find what is the value of the resistance of this resistor. So we just they have given colors. Now basing on the colors, what is the magnitude? What is the value of the resistance? We are going to find. What is the first color they given?
Yellow.
Yellow. Where is the yellow? Here. What is the number?
4.
So give 4. What is the second color they given?
Blue.
Blue. Where is the blue? Blue. What is the number?
6.
Right, 6. Okay. Because first and second band tells about the number. That is the reason numbers we written. That's all. First and second. Third band. What is the third band?
Multiplier.
So which color they given?
Green.
So we take green. Green. So multiplier. It is the multiplier. How much?
10 to the power 5.
10 to the power of 5. What is the fourth band they given?
Gold.
So gold. What is the percentage?
5%.
Plus or minus 5%. So we can say this what? 46 into 10 to the power of 5 ohms. We can write ohms. Tolerance will be 5%. Understand that? Kushi,
Yes, sir.
did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Banu Prasad,
Yes, sir.
did you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Danush, today Danush absent. Okay. Second question, like second question. Violet. Second one green. Third one blue. Fourth one silver. Tell me the resistance of this resistor. When you are seeing the resistor, you are seeing that colors. If you know the colors, immediately you should be able to write what is the value of that resistance. Okay, tell me now, what is the value of this resistance? Violet, which number?
7.
Okay, 7. Green number?
5.
We have to write here or somewhere, right? 5. And third one is multiplier, right?
10 to the power 6.
10 to the power of 6. Silver?
Plus or minus 10%.
10%. So the value of the resistance is R equal to 75 into 10 to the power of 6 ohms plus or minus 10%. Understand how to write now?
Sir, how did you get the 75, sir? I didn't understand.
First and second tells about what?
Magnitude.
Number, right?
Yes, sir, number.
Number. Yeah, it is a number. So first color violet, right? Violet number how much? 7. Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, violet number is 7, right?
Yes, sir.
And second green number how much?
5.
So both I written because both are numbers, right? Third one is multiplier. So into multiplier how much? Blue. Blue how much? 10 to the power of 6. I
Okay,
written
sir.
plus or minus 10.
Okay, sir. Now I got it.
Yeah.
So can I get more questions like this?
Yeah, yeah.
This question will come for how many marks, sir?
2 more question it is. Sometimes they will give numbers. They will ask you find the colors.
So don't need to write any units, sir.
Units I written, right? Ohms. Resistance is ohms, right? Resistance measured
Okay,
in
sir.
ohms. So I give in ohms. So what will be the colors of that resistor? Color of that resistor. 6. What is the 6? Which number?
Two.
Sorry, 6
Blue,
is
sir.
blue color. Yeah, blue,
Blue, brown.
blue.
Blue, brown.
Second brown.
Sir, it's red, sir, not brown.
Second red, right?
Yes, sir.
Red, sir.
Next
Again blue, sir.
blue. And here,
No color, sir.
yes,
No color, sir.
that's all. Like that. Sometimes they will give a number and they will ask you to write colors. Otherwise, they will give colors and they will ask you find out what is the value of the resistance. Like that, they can ask. Okay. Find the value. Find the value of the resistor. White how much?
9.
9. Black how much?
0.
No.
Into. Brown how much?
10 to the power 2.
Plus or minus?
Sir, it's 10 to the power 1.
Okay.
Sir, it's brown, sir.
Brown, right?
Yeah, brown is 10 to the power 2.
No. 10 to the power of 1 brown. Black is
So
10 to the
brown
power
is
of,
10 to the power 1, sir.
yeah, 1. So finally resistance value R equal to 90 into 10 to the power of 1 ohm plus or minus 10%. This is the value of the resistance. Okay. This is a small topic and one more. Next topic is combination of cells. Combination of cells. There are two combinations. One is series combination. Series combination. Second one is parallel. series combination and parallel combination. Now we are going to discuss about series combination. Of cells. Series combination of cells. So look at this. First cell and internal resistance. Second cell, internal resistance. Third cell, internal resistance. Fourth cell, internal resistance, and so on. And so on. So E1, E2, E3, E4, R1, R2, R3, R4, and so on. So if they ask you find out the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance, so resultant will be like cell internal resistance equivalent or equivalent. For this E equivalent, you will get answer E equivalent equal to E1 plus, E2 plus, E3 plus, and so on. This R equivalent, you will get R1 plus, R2 plus, R3 plus, and so on, like that you will get. Now we will see the solution. Is it we will get like that or not? That's what our question. Did you note this? Series combination, when they have given series combination positive terminal to negative, negative to positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative, and the resultant final you will get like equivalent and R equivalent. Here E equivalent you will get in the form of E1 plus E2 plus E3 and so on. R equivalent you will get R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus and so on, like that. How many how many EMF means cells they will give, that many you will get EMFs, even internal resistance also. Okay, so we will see the solution. I will take only 3 cells. Enough. 3 cells we have to take. That is E1, E2, E3, R1, R2, R3. Take it is A terminal and it is B terminal. So potential here VA, we can say that VA, and it potential here VB because point B. So current will be in this direction. It is connected to some other circuit. Okay, like that continuously current will come like this, passes and it is enters. We know about Kirchhoff laws. So when we know the Kirchhoff laws, let's see. VA. Here what we have to write? What is the potential? Plus E1, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Here how much we have to write? Current is I, current is passing.
Minus IR1.
Yeah, minus IR1. Here how much? Minus
Plus
E2.
E,
Sorry.
plus E2.
Plus E2. Here how much we have to minus I R2. Here plus E3 minus I R3 equal to VB. Equal to VB. Now send these terms and VA minus VB equal to how much we'll get? Minus E1 minus E2 minus E3 like plus, we are coming in the reverse direction, I hope, plus I common R1 plus R2 plus R3 taken minus common E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus I R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this equation VA minus VB, like we can say V so we know V is equal to E minus IR. Minus, if you take full common, here it should come E1 plus E2 plus E3 minus I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if you compare this E1 plus E2 plus E3 minus I into R1 plus R2 plus R3, right, like this. So E equivalent, I R equivalent. I is common. Current only one direction is there. So it is constant. Internal resistance, so many are there, 3 are there. So if you compare, it is take equation A, take it equation B. Compare equation A and B, you will get like E equivalent equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3. R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Hello, Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
did you write?
Yes, sir.
Bhanu Prasad? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you write?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Hmm. Actually, here you have to give minus. There minus we have to give, send that. VA minus VB, here pluses minus. Okay. Just we have to send that. VB.
Yes, sir. It will be VB
Yeah,
minus
we have
VA.
to send this that side. Then you will get this result. VB minus VA. Why? Because higher potential and lower. Lower potential minus higher potential. Then you will get the E1 plus E2 plus E3 and so on. Otherwise, cells you can reverse. Okay. Just see like. Take like this. E1, R1, E2, R2, E3, R3, A, and it is B. It is VA, it is potential B. So current will come in this direction now. Like this, current will flow. When current is flowing, so VA.
Sir, is this the second case, sir?
No, it's not second case, same case. Same like that only. Just a VA, just I'm writing like, if you apply Kirchhoff laws, it will become minus C1.
You are taking VA in the opposite direction, sir.
Yeah, just cells I reverse. Previous like given positive terminal to negative terminal. Here negative to positive, so I given like that. So current is coming like that, plus IR1 minus E2 plus IR2 minus E3 plus IR3 equal to VB. Then VA minus VB equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 minus I common R1 plus R2 plus R3. We will get like this. So this equation we have to compare V is equal to E minus IR. Here E equivalent equal to this much, R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, like that. Let's see one small question. So just you have to remember that we have to apply Kirchhoff laws.
Sir, how did that become plus IR1, sir?
This one plus R1. Current is coming in this direction. We are moving path in this direction, right? So when you are going opposite to the current through the resistance, in Kirchhoff laws we use it. Did you remember now? Suppose
Yes,
when you are
sir.
going from high potential to low potentials, you have to give negative. When you are going like this, you have to give positive. Resistor, if it is the resistor, current is flowing in this direction. When you are going in this direction, you have to give, it is the R. So potential drop is minus IR, because you are going along the direction of current. There will be a potential drop. That potential drop is minus IR. If you are coming opposite to the current direction through the resistance, you have to give IR. These are the rules to solve the Kirchhoff law, right? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, through the resistor, when you are going along the direction of the current, then potential drop you have to give negative. Opposite to the current when you are going, then you have to give potential drop positive. Sign convention is very important, then only you can solve the problems. So it is the first case. Now see one small problem for you. Try to solve this. So VA, so VB. So current will pass in this direction. Now, what will you do? Can we write VA? We have to up. We are going in this direction. Path is, we have taken the path in this direction. Now it is VA. Here how much? How much we have to write here?
minus E1.
minus E1, right?
Sir.
And one more,
Plus IR1.
plus IR1, because I current is passing. I current is entering and I current is leaving. Second,
Plus E2.
we are going in this direction, right? How much?
Plus E2.
Plus E2. Plus
IR2.
IR2. Next,
Minus E3.
minus E3, because positive to negative you are going. Plus
IR3.
IR3 equal to
VB.
VB. Now look at this carefully. VA minus VB. Send that side. E1 positive minus E2 will be negative, plus E3 will be positive, plus minus I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Means if you reverse the cell, when you are reversing the cell, EMF will be negative, but say E equivalent will be E1 minus E2 E1 minus E2 plus E3, but R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Did you understand clearly that? Rachana?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Kavya? Kavya? Lakshmi?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhanush? Dhanush? Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Chirag, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
See once, when the EMF is reverse, then equivalent, E equivalent will be change. There will be a change in the E equivalent, but there is no any change in the internal resistance. Internal resistance always you have to add. Now whatever I'm going to give you, let's see, one big question I'm going to give. E equivalent, how much? R equivalent, how much? If you solve this, you will get one of the circuit like how much? Tell me now, what is the E equivalent?
So 5.
Yes? See once. How much here? E equivalent formula? Tell me what is the E equivalent formula here? These two we can add, right? Hello, Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
We can add these two, right? Because both are in the same direction, right?
Yes, sir. The polarity is same.
So 10 minus, it is opposite, right?
Yes, sir. So
4.
9 minus 4.
Yeah, 9 minus 4. So you will get 5. So E equivalent equal to 5 volts. What about the internal resistance?
Add
If you reverse the cells, even though internal resistance should be added, so you will get 4 ohms. Understand? Kushi,
Yes, sir.
did you understand or any doubt?
No doubts.
Find out E equivalent how much? And R equivalent equal to how much? Likita,
Sir,
what is the value of E equivalent?
7, sir.
Yes, 7. Because these two are in the same direction. So 6 plus 4, 10. It is in the opposite direction. So minus 3. So 7. Kushi,
Yes, sir.
what is the internal resistance?
Sir, 1 plus 2 plus 1, sir.
So 4. That's all. Understand? If n cells of EMF E and internal resistance smaller connected in series, and and external resistance capital R is connected to the combination is connected to the combination if polarity of combination, if polarity of M cells, if polarity of M cells are reversed, find current in external resistor, in external resistor. in external resistor.
So can we copy the question, sir?
Yes.
B, sir.
Hello.
Option D, sir.
Option B
D.
for D for dog.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How?
Sir, we have to subtract M now, sir. So 2M will get subtracted, sir.
Why 2m will come?
Sir, because it will get neutral, sir.
It
2M.
will get neutral. Yes. It will get neutral. Correct. Solution for this, suppose plus and so on. So we know here n cells are connected in series. So when total E equivalent equal to Ne, because n cells they are connected in the series. So E equivalent will be R equivalent equal to how much? NR. R equivalent will become NR. And external resistance they given, that external resistance R equivalent equal to R. This is the external resistance they have given. That is also connected in series only. And we know that n cells are reversed. When the m cells are reversed, so we have to remove Me. Am I correct? M cells are reversed. So current formula, current equal to current I equal to, what is the current formula? E equivalent by resistance. So E equivalent Ne minus Me by Nr plus R. But see once, actual answer is this: Ne minus Me by Nr plus R. When we are solving, we will get this answer. E equivalent, n cells when they have connected, we will get Ne, and m cells are reversed. So whatever the cells are reversed, that reversed cell we have to remove. We have to subtract. So Me, R equivalent equal to Nr, and external resistance is R. Everything in the series. So series total resistance Nr plus R. So current formula, current equal to EMF by resistance. So E equivalent how much? This much. R equivalent how much? This much. But you should remember, when the M cells are reversed, that means whatever the original cells are there, M cells again it will neutralize one more M cells. So suppose if it is the 10 cells we have connected in the series, and two cells we have connected in the reversed condition. So we will say that 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Not like that. two cells already reverse connected. When you connect in the reverse manner, it will neutralize one more two cells. So you will get 6. 6 is the answer. Like that. Here Me not, it is 2 Me. So answer will be D. Kushi? Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Kushi, did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Can I copy it, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Rachna?
Sir?
Rachna, did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Likita?
Sir?
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Are you clear about the answer?
Yes, sir.
So generally when we are solving very fast without thinking, then we will get answer Ne minus Me by Nr plus R. But it is not like 10 and two cells are reversed. 10 minus 2 equal to 4. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. But 8 is not the answer. When you reverse the two cells, the two cells will neutralize one more two cells. So total you have to remove 4. Then answer will be like this. So 2 Me. Okay. Parallel combination. So it is connected to external circuit, like one of the wire is there, feel like that. So current is passing in this manner. So when you connect it, it is a parallel connection because potentials are same, C1s. Here potential is same, current is different. In series, current is same, potential is different. Even resistors are in series, resistors are in parallel, capacitors are in series, capacitors are in parallel. So only one thing, when it is the parallel, potential is same. When it is in the series, potential is different. Our aim, which is different, that we have to calculate. Suppose I is different, we have to calculate I equivalent, I1 plus I2 plus I3. Suppose V is different, we have to calculate V1 plus V2 plus V. So which is different, that equivalent we have to calculate first. Now see. So how, if you connect in the parallel combination, what is the E equivalent and R equivalent? That is only question again. So we will apply, path is in this direction. So here we have to consider two paths. First path, consider what is the first path here? AX YB. AX YB. It is the first path. So you are moving in this direction. When you are moving in this direction, we know how to apply the Kirchhoff laws, right? It will become VA. This point is VA. And when you are going like this, how much here? minus E1, right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right? So, and again, when you are going in this direction, you are going opposite to the current direction. So, plus I1 R1
Yes, sir.
equal to VB, right?
Yes, sir.
And VA minus VB equal to E minus I1 R1.
Even.
E minus I1 R1.
E1 minus I1 R1.
E1, like E1 minus I1 R1. And in this place, we can write V equal to E1 minus I1 R1. From this, which is different, that we have to calculate, right? Here current is different. So I equal to I1 plus I2. I equivalent equal to I1 plus I2. First I1 we have to V minus E1. Then I1 equal to E1 minus V by R1. It is the I1. Consider path 2. Which path? A, P, Q, B. It is the second path. A, P, Q, B. It is the second path. So similarly, if we calculate I2 equal to E2 minus V by R2, you will get. So I equivalent is equal to I1 plus I2, we know. So I equal to I1 how much? E1 minus V by R1 plus E2 minus V by R2. Write separately that. When you are writing separately this. Can I?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. Just a circuit. After that, we have to give some names. Then we have to follow the Kirchhoff laws. According to Kirchhoff laws, a sign convention is there. So according to that sign convention, when you are going high potential to low potential, we have to give negative. And when you are going along the direction of opposite to the direction of current through the resistance potential drop, you have to give positive. If you know that, you will get answer. Through the second path, when you are going similarly, here I1, here I2 is there. E1, here E2 is there. R1 is there, here R2 is there. V potential is same, so V is V. So I equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 minus V, if you take it common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Send this term this side. V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 minus Y minus I. Send this term this side and I send that side. Send left hand side, I send right hand side. So you will get this. I hope you understand. Now just send this. V equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 whole divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 minus I by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. like this. For we know that compare this take it as equation 1. V minus V equal to E minus IR. V equal to E equivalent minus IR equivalent. Same similar. See once. V E equivalent place you have to write the total term. Now total term you have to write I R equivalent place you got this. Let's see. R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Send this term and send this term. 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So parallel combination we know. Send this side and send this one in the left hand side. Kavya, Sanchit,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Tejaswini,
Sir?
any doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Yeah. Anjali,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Sharat,
No, sir, no doubts.
so remember that E equivalent this time you have to write the total. When the cells are connected in parallel, E equivalent equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus and so on by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus and so on. So this is the total term for E equivalent. But in series, just E equivalent equal to E1 plus E2 plus and so on. Very easy this is. But here you should remember that when they connected in the parallel, definitely how to. Suppose if they have reversed one cell, any of the cell if they have reversed, then what will happen? Suppose I reverse this cell, second cell. Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
now tell me if I reverse this cell, what will happen?
So that will be a minus sign between those two.
Here, right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Remaining everything is same, right?
Yes, sir.
So remember like that. If you connect in the reverse, then you will get negative value. That's all. But answer is correct. So in the next class, current, electricity, whatever the topics we have discussed, basing on that, each and every formula, on that formula, model sum. That's what our topic. Mostly you will get all the model sums in the next class. Kushi,
Yes, sir.
what is the drift velocity?
Sir, it's the minimum velocity which acts on the opposite direction of the electric field.
Yeah, with which it is the minimum velocity, right? With which electron drift opposite to the electric field. Okay. Like that. Rachna,
So
say Ohm's law.
V is equal to IR. You have to state the law, sir.
State the law.
The potential difference applied across the cell
Hmm.
is directly proportional to the current and the resistance of the cell.
Is it? Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
define Ohm's law. State the Ohm's law.
So the potential in the circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing in it.
V is equal to IR. The potential difference applied across the ends of the conductor. You should write ends of the conductor.
Okay, sir.
Dhanush, Dhanush, Kavya, Likita, hello, Likita, Banu Prasad,
Yes, sir.
mobility. Do you have idea about mobility?
No, sir.
Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
what is the mobility, ma?
Mm,
It is the ratio of
Drift velocity to electric field.
yes, drift velocity to electric field. Don't forget it. And
Yes.
current density. Anybody?
Sir,
Current density.
um,
Anirudh, I didn't get. Current density.
Current by area, sir.
Yes, current by area. What is the specialty of the current density? Actually, current is a scalar, right? But current density is a
vector quantity.
yeah, that is what. That's why they have given current density. So in the next class, what we have discussed in this lesson and which type of formulas are there to solve the problems, and most of the all method problems you are going to get. So, okay, see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.